Hi guys! In this video, let's do a geometry problem. So the problem is an equilateral triangle shares a side with an isosceles right triangle, as shown. What is the angle of ABC? Let's find out. Okay, so now an equilateral triangle shares a side with an isosceles right triangle, as shown. So now if you look here, two triangles in this shape, right? One of these triangles is an isosceles right triangle, and one of them is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so now here, an equilateral triangle is a triangle which has all of its sides equal. So three of its sides would be equal. So now let's look at this triangle. So now, if you look here, this side is bigger than both of these sides. So, and if you look here, this side and this side are equal, and this side is equal to this side. So that means this bigger triangle is the equilateral triangle. There's an isosceles right triangle. So this is isosceles right triangle. So now, for isosceles right triangle is a triangle with two sides which are equal and one side which is not equal, and a right triangle is a triangle with a right angle. So now this is both. So if you look here, both of these sides are equal and this side is not equal. Okay. And if you look, and it's a right triangle, right? So now this angle wouldn't be a right angle. This angle also wouldn't be a right angle. So this angle would be a right angle. So right angle is always 90 degrees. So now here, an equilateral triangle. So now this big triangle is an equilateral triangle, right? So all these sides are equal. Okay, so now if you add, for any triangle, if you add all the angles, it equals 180 for any triangle. So now here, for this isosceles right angle triangle, this angle is 90 degrees, right? So let's do 180 minus 90 degrees, which is 90. So now here, both these sides are equal and this side isn't equal. So that means this angle is not equal and both these angles are equal. So that means we have to do 90 divided by 2, which equals 45. So that means this angle is 45 degrees. Okay, so now that means this angle is also 45 degrees. So now the question is, what is the angle of ABC? So the angle of AB and C would be this angle. So from here to here, not just from here to here or here to here. So we know from here to here it's 45 degrees. So we have to find it from here to here, we have to find the angle. So now here, this is an equilateral triangle. So three of the sides are equal. Three of the sides are equal. Three of the angles are also equal. So for any triangle, if you add all three angles, it equals 180. So let's divide 180 by 3 to find each angle. So that would equal 60. So now here, if each angle is 60, that means this angle is 60 degrees. So now we know from here to here, this angle is 45 and this angle is 60. But what's from this to this? What's the bigger angle? Well, we have to do 45 degrees plus 60 degrees, which equals 105 degrees. So that means the angle ABC equals 105 degrees. So that's the answer. Let's do math every day and like this video.